Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your currency on the KuCoin crypto trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KuCoin application on your device, and once you open it up, make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage, from which if you wish to change your currency, just tap on the account icon at the top left corner and then tap on the settings button. Now within the settings page, you will see currency right underneath language. Go ahead and tap on the currently selected currency, and now you will see the various different currencies that are available. So just make your selection and tap on your preferred currency, and this will now restart the application and your chosen currency will now be applied. Now if you go into the various different pages, you will now see that your currently chosen currency is being used to display all of the amounts. And if you wish to change this at any time, you can go back to the same menu and change your currency with just a single click. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the currency within your KuCoin application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.